Now that you know what lists and tuples are, you will more quickly understand what dictionaries are about. Dictionaries represent another way of storing data. Each value is associated with a certain key. More precisely, a key and its respective value form a key-value pair. In this example, we have 4 keys. Different names of animals are attached to each one of them. Pay attention that neither parentheses nor brackets will work in this case. You need curly braces. After a certain dictionary has been created, a value can be accessed by its key, instead of its index. K1 can be used for cat. While K3, a mouse. Similarly, as we could do with lists, we could add a new value to the dictionary in the following way. The structure to apply here is dictionary name, new key name within brackets, equality sign, and the name of the new value. The value we'll assign to key number 5 is parrot. I'll press Shift plus Enter and we are good to go. Replacing a value follows the same syntax. Just let the new variable correspond to an existing key. From that moment on, attached to the second key, we won't see a dog anymore. Ha! It's a squirrel now! You feel a list should be able to take part in a key-value pair. And you are right. Let's turn to another example. Say, only Peter works in Department 1, but 3 people work in Department 2, Jennifer, Michael, and Tommy. Shall we verify? Right. Therefore, our second element is a list. There is another way to fill in a dictionary. I'll create a new variable and we'll use empty curly braces to indicate it'll be a dictionary. I will not place any keys or values within the braces. Instead, I will assign the keys and the values one by one. And, at the end, my dictionary will be full. Quite nice. And if I asked for the center, I will see Hector's name. Let me introduce you to an interesting Python feature. If the get method gives us the name of the small forward of a given team, the machine won't display an error if we ask for the name of the coach, whose name does not take part in my dictionary. None is the default value Python returns in cases where an object does not actually exist within a given dictionary. Now, you can imagine that dictionaries could do a great job, sometimes. For instance, when using companies' names as keys and their prices on the market as values, right? Bravo! You are going deeper into programming. Remember, things will remain quite abstract unless you take the time to practice and apply what you've learned in these lessons. So, roll up your sleeves and do the exercises attached to this lesson. Thanks for watching.